How to change notification LED color for WhatsApp notifications. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen on WhatsApp. Then click on Settings at the bottom. In Settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. Then in Notifications, you'll find Light. Click on Light and you'll find all these options. Click on the color you want as your notification LED color and then press on OK and you're good to go. If any WhatsApp notification pops up, it's gonna be that color. And this is how to change notification LED color for WhatsApp notification. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.